Welcome back, everyone. I am on another adventure. I'm on my way to Emerald Lake. I am now at Nymph Lake. I didn't start the video at the trailhead, so I'm sort of into the hike here, but now it's taken me a while because I'm not in shape, and we're over 9,000 feet as it is. But it is absolutely beautiful. It's crisp, blue skies, clouds, a lot of wind, as you can probably hear. So I will check back in with you when we get to Dream Lake. So thank you for joining me on this photography vlog here in the Rocky Mountain National Park. So glad that you're coming along with me. So let's go ahead and continue on with the hike. I wanted to go ahead and take a break now and come back on video. The weather forecast said it was supposed to be just cloudy, and guess what? It is sleeting. Can you believe that? So I'm glad I'm prepared. You know, they say that the weather can change on a dime here in the mountains. So I'm almost to Dream Lake. So I'll look forward to talking to you again then. Bye. I'm here at Dream Lake. I've stopped. It's really coming down now. And I'm under the trees, so it's not pelting me as hard. So I really honestly don't know if I'm going to be able to take some photographs. If I do, it's going to be with my Osmo Pocket, because if it continues like this, then I really don't want to take the time to get my camera out and all like that, but we'll see. Hopefully the sky looks like it's getting a little bit lighter, so hopefully it'll stop. All right, well, we'll see. This is behind me. See all that blue sky? It's going the opposite direction. This dark clouds with this sleet is pushing that blue sky and those clouds out of the way. It's slowed down now, so that's good. Okay, I've made it up here to Emerald Lake. I can't believe it. You're talking about a sleet storm. That was unbelievable. But before I got here, blue skies showed and it stopped. Sleeting, it's just basically sprinkling. I don't know, it might be where I'm standing, it might be just coming off the trees, but there are some darker clouds rolling in again. I don't know if it's going to bring any more sleet. So I'm going to get out my camera to see if I can take some photographs. And so this has been an adventure, to say the least.